To show you how I edit videos using AI, I literally just upload them to a Google Drive. That's all I do. And it literally, I'm about to show you the other side of my screen, what happens once they reach my computer. It literally starts taking care of it. It's doing the prompt. I create like this prompt for this specific type of video, and it just starts doing all of the editing using AI. It puts the thumbnails, it starts to apply a bunch of hyperframes and remotion effects, both different, meaning hyperframes and remotion. And then it starts publishing to all my channels. Now, the reason why this is so crazy is because the way it works, it's linked to specific folders. So for example, I'll just show you the automation. Check this out. You can see what's going on here. It's creating all the hyperframes effect. Now I want to show you how this works. Basically, you can create automations, using this app. And it processes the files based on what folder you drop them in on your computer. So for example, I have a folder called New Suno Song. See this folder? Anytime I drop a video into here, it will literally run the specific automation for music. But this specific one is a business channel, meaning I created a video about an open source imaging model called ideogram. And basically what it's doing, it's creating effects, putting them on the video, and after that it's going to literally publish it to all of the channels. Now, the amazing part about this is that it literally fills in the metadata for all of the different channels. It selects each and every one and fills in different metadata. So these are all YouTube channels, and they all have different metadata, different titles and descriptions, so that it will work out really well for SEO like reasons. And also TikTok, it literally does all of these automatically, and Instagram and even X, everything. And the best part is about this whole thing is that it publishes to all of those channels. So it literally publishes to all those channels with amazing thumbnails. This app is called Zippy Clip. Absolutely insane, guys. Here's the entire list of channels it's posted to and all the links. So to do this, all you do is click on Automate. You can click on New Automation. You give it a name and choose the folder that will apply to. You choose the folder on your computer. And by the way, the secret here is linking that folder to Google Drive on desktop, and that way when you do it on your phone, when you record on your phone and you drop the file into that folder, it will just run it. Even though this app is a desktop, it works on Mac and Windows. That's the secret here. You can literally record on your phone, drop into a folder inside Google Drive on your phone, and this will start working. Now this is the prompt, the custom prompt. Add 2 remotion overlays, add 2 B-rolls based on the script. You can even add video overlays. You can add subtitles, everything. Whatever you put here, this will make the video edits. You can even say, cut out the boring parts. You can say, chop it up, make it less than 3 minutes. You can say whatever you want. Then you choose the channels you want it to post to. All of them, obviously. But let's say you have different businesses, that you can actually have different businesses. Like I have a music channels business, so I have different automations for different channels. Like if I click on automate here, I have my Suno video that I was talking about earlier. Remember that? Remember this folder. Anytime I drop a file into here, it will run this automation, automate Suno video. Watch this, create a 5-second video based on the transcript to hook the user into the video using the video generator. And then for seconds 5 to 10, add 1 remotion effect related to what's being said. Add subtitles, 1 word per subtitle. Font should be medium to small, etc, etc. Then you can do all this other stuff, and here we are. You can choose the channel, the business channel. See, I have a lot of different businesses. So for each business, I have a different set of channels. Check this out. For my business, I have those channels. For my comedy skit business, I only have one channel. For my Zippy Clip channels, I have 5 channels. Check this out. Facebook channels. Check all this out. This is crazy. Look how many channels you can post to in one go. And that's it. Once you click save, it will save it. And then when you drop a file into the folder, it was running these edits for you, which are your AI edits. So when you've heard Claude Code destroys video editors, really it's Zippy Clip destroys video editors. See you in the next video.